Hey everyone, this is Don Smith, and today I'm going to help you with the problem that has been plaguing me for the last 2 months, and that is how to unhide your YouTube channel. How do you get your YouTube channel hidden in the first place? Well, there's a lot of steps you would have to go through, and apparently I did, and I'm not alone. Accidentally, I hid my channel. If you look right up here on a Google search, how do I unhide my YouTube channel? This is as of today, May 10th, 2020. We got close to 400,000 results, but there is just a lot of people and a lot of confusion on how to unhide your channel. I even opened up a ticket 2 weeks ago on YouTube chat, and 3 people cannot help me on how to unhide my channel. But through mucking around on the back end of YouTube, I've actually figured out the roadmap. It's 8 steps, and it works on how to unhide your channel. And I know I can help you with this. First of all, if you Google, you're going to come to this where it's going to say go to your channel and fill out a form. You may even land on a page where that link is there. Basically, what they're asking you to do is to recreate your YouTube channel. Don't do that, because I've heard a lot of people have done that and it wipes out all your subscribers and all your comments. Okay, so follow this way, and it's going to make your channel public once again, and it's going to keep all of your subscribers. You can see it kept all of my subscribers, and it kept all of my views, everything. If I clicked over here on my videos tab, I think I had something like 62, 63 videos, something like that currently on this channel. All right, so how do we go about doing this? Well, if you're not on your channel, click up to the top right on your little icon and go to your channel. Okay, and then you're going to come here to your YouTube Studio, this blue button. And then we are going to come down into Settings, and we're going to go to Channel. So once you get into your channel, you're going to want to come over here to Advanced Settings, and it's going to open up this page. And before I go any further, this is a little tip that may help you also. If you've made some videos and forgot to switch it into this channel's not made for kids, and you're monetized, it won't monetize that video. So I've clicked it here because we're going to save all of this, and it's going to make all those videos I made where I forgot to put that setting in when I was uploading my video. It's going to put it so you can switch it over to not made for kids, and that will bring those videos over and allow you to monetize them. So once we're on this advanced setting, we're going to scroll down to Advanced Channel Settings. It's going to open up a new page, and now we're going to go down to where it says all the way on the bottom, Channel Privacy. And here you can see it gives me the option to make it hidden. I don't want to click on that anymore. When you come down and your channel's hidden, it's simply going to say make my channel public. You're going to click on that. Then this whole area through here is going to turn into a blue taskbar, and however many videos you have, that's how long it'll take. I had, like I said, 62 videos. Took a couple of minutes. And when it was all done, it turns into that button, so you know they're public, and then you simply click Save. And your channel is now back to being a public, unhidden channel. Hallelujah. That's how it's done. Again, if you go the route that YouTube is telling you to do it, you're going to create nothing but headaches for yourself. So I hope this video has helped you. It felt like a weight came off my shoulder when I figured out how to do this, and hopefully YouTube, somebody there is watching and will get these steps into their help section, because this is what I had to do. So that's it. Get your channel unhidden and get it back to normal, and you're going to be fine. So until next time, take care.